Hello. I don't know if this is the same episode or a new one. So, hello. Today we did the Tenere World Raid. And now we're gonna do the other World Raid. New sprockets. This is 47. The stock is 46. My previous was 48. But now that I'm riding a bit faster, the 48, it's too big. So I'm switching back to 47. I got two. Because one goes on the original set of rims and one goes on the HAAN rims. Stock size front sprocket and 525 chain, and I took a longer chain so that the wheel is slided a little bit more backwards in the swing arm for more stability, which I saw in another YouTube video. So everything that's on YouTube, that's true. So I'm doing the same. So that is going on now, and after that we're going to unpack the gold stuff.
How happy are you?
Very happy.
With these nice golden rims. We got these fresh new HAAN tires, and what we are going to do is drill a hole in the fresh new golden rims. He's very nervous because we are going to drill into his new golden rims.
The biggest update so far, the HAAN rims. They're smaller, they are 3.0, so I can run tires from 110 to 140 in width, wide, and they look amazing. And they're probably lighter, but we're gonna check that now.
7 kilos.
Zo'n foam op zo staan, dan haal ik moet hier ook gewoon niet naar kijken.
He cannot handle it.
Okay.
We are destroying his rims. Rebel X-Star 01.
They're brand new, they're just a little bit dusty. Motomasters brake discs. This is for the rear, and I also have two for the front. That are over there. Nice.
New wheels for Rick. What an upgrade. Sick! And the front wheel is 4.3 kilos. Sexy! Nieuwigheid. The new set. New tire, new rim, new everything. Weights 70.2 kilos. 17. And the old one, 18. Ooh. 19.4. Okay, Rick, tell me how happy you are with your new tires.
Really?
You can see Rick being extra happy with his new golden tires. Sick. Sick upgrades. The whole front is 11.5 kilos. Okay.
These are allemaal
12.6.
So, welcome to the end of this episode. We changed the rims with the tires. In front I went for the Explorer 01 from Rebel. It's a bit harder than the X-Star because that's more of a, this is heavy, enduro tire. On the rear I got the X-Star 01. It's a 140 and 18 and it is more MX trial tires. This won't last long, but this is my off-road set. My street wheels are those. That's the original ones. The tires that are behind it are going on chain, sprockets. Everything is done. So ready for this season. And I'm not gonna do anything else about it for a few months. Bye.
Keeps bringing me joy.